In recent days, several Central Georgia companies have confirmed cases of COVID-19 among their employees. Ashlyn Webb took a closer look at what guidelines state and federal agencies are advising businesses to follow.
Across Central Georgia, some of the region's largest employers are reporting confirmed COVID-19 cases among their workers. Purdue Farms and Perry says one of their workers tested positive. YKK releasing a statement confirming that an employee in their Dublin plant was one of the Lawrence County cases. Then a Geico employee in their Macon office tested positive last Wednesday. And most recently, Amazon confirming on Sunday that at least one of their employees in the South Macon Fulfillment Center has the virus. With all these cases, we ask what guidelines are state and federal agencies giving? OSHA, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, released a COVID-19 planning guideline instructing businesses how to take precautions based on their exposure risk. Many of the businesses affected locally fit in the low or medium risk exposure category, where there's either some or no contact within 6 feet of coworkers. For medium risk, OSHA advises employers to provide physical barriers between employees and suggests using masks or other personal protective equipment if needed. But for all, OSHA and the Georgia Department of Public Health is advising employers to be lenient on their sick policy.
Better to have one employee take sick leave when they're actually sick than have them come in, affect your entire workforce, and then have no workforce whatsoever. Continue operation.
Georgia Department of Public Health and OSHA says workers who have confirmed cases must quarantine for at least 14 days.
It's important for them to make sure that they are strictly adhering to Department of Public Health guidance when it comes to self-quarantine, self-isolation of affected workers and close contacts.
Also, to sanitize with one of the many EPA-approved disinfectants that are listed on the Center for Disease Control's website. In Macon, Ashlyn Webb, 13 WMAZ News.
All companies with confirmed cases of COVID-19 in the workplace told WMAZ they've taken precautions by requiring employees with diagnosed cases to quarantine, and they've also disinfected the workplace.